this for free. We are going to learn new sentences. Common English sentences and the words we use there. Common English sentences and words we use there. We use there. Huh? Can say. Icyongereza kubuntu. Tugiye kwiga interuro nshya. Interuro nshya ni amagambo dukoresha buri munsi. Icyongereza kubuntu. Wowe kanda subscribe gusa ubundi tugiye tubana umunsi ku munsi. Tugiye kwiga rero interuro nshya. Interuro nshya ni amagambo dukoresha buri munsi. Niyo mpamvu rero muri aka kanya ugiye kubona icyongereza cy'umwimerere kugira ngo nugikurikiza ugifate. I would like to ask you something. It's free for you, but it helps us a lot. Please do subscribe. Niba utazi gukora subscribe, ukora ahangaha muri aka kantu k'umutuku n'umweru wameze kudukurikirana. Ndashaka kugira ngo ndashaka kugira icyo nakwisabira. N'ubuntu kuri wowe ariko biradufasha cyane. Ndagusabye kora subscribe ubundi tugiye tubana umunsi ku wundi. Twagiye rero. I usually meet different people. I usually meet different people. Buri gihe mpura n'abantu batandukanye. Buri gihe mpura n'abantu batandukanye. I usually get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I usually get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Buri gihe mbyuka saa 11 za mu gitondo. Buri gihe mbyuka saa 12 za mu gitondo. Occasionally I have to pray. Buri gihe ngomba gusenga. Alarm goes off at 12 o'clock at afternoon. Alarm goes off at 12 o'clock at afternoon. Aramu ijyaho saa 6 za kumanywa. Aramu ijyaho saa 6 za kumanywa. My phone's ringing every day. My phone's ringing every day. Telefone yanjye isona buri munsi. Telefone yanjye isona buri munsi. Alarm goes off at 6 o'clock. Alamu ijyaho saa 12 za mu gitondo. Alamu ijyaho saa 12 za mu gitondo. I take bath before going to work. I take bath before going to work. Ndoga mbere yuko ngiye ku kazi. Ndoga mbere yuko ngiye ku kazi. I take breakfast before I get up. I take breakfast before I get up. Fata ibya mu gitondo mbere yuko mbyuka. Fata ibya mu gitondo mbere yuko mbyuka. I take brush before leaving. I take brush before leaving. Noza amenyo. He always washes his hands. He always washes his hands. Buri gihe yoza ibiganza bye. Buri gihe yoza ibiganza bye. Occasionally I wash my hair when I get up early in the morning. Occasionally I wash my hair when I get up early in the morning. Buri gihe mesa umusatsi iyo mbyutse kare mu gitondo. Buri gihe mesa umusatsi iyo mbyutse kare mu gitondo. Every day wash my food. Every day wash my food. buri munsi noza ibirenge byanjye. How often do you eat a day? How often do you eat a day? Utavuze often ushobora kuvuga how often time do you eat a day. Ubu uvuze inshuro, ariko twakoresheje how often do you eat a day, twaba dushatse kuvuga urya kangahe ku munsi. How often do you buy rice a week? How often do you buy rice a week? Ntabwo ari rice, ni rice. Ugura umuceri kangahe? Ugura umuceri kangahe mu cyumweru? Ugura umuceri kangahe mu cyumweru? How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise? Ukora siporo kangahe? Ukora siporo kangahe? Could you give me toothpaste, please? Could you give me toothpaste, please? Ese byashoboka kuma umuti w'amenyo? Ese byashoboka kuma umuti w'amenyo? Could you give me a book? Could you give me a book? Ese byashoboka kuma igitabo? Ese byashoboka kuma igitabo? Could I bring you camera? Could I bring you camera? Could I bring you camera? Ese byashoboka ko nakuzanira kamera? Could you bring water? Ese nakuzanira amazi? Could you bring water? Wash and comb my hair every day. I wash and comb my hair every day. I wash and comb my hair every day. Ndamesa nkanasokoza umusatsi buri munsi. Ndamesa nkanasokoza umusatsi buri munsi. I receive the guests every Wednesday. I receive the guests every Wednesday. Nakira abashyitsi buri uwa gatatu. Nakira abashyitsi buri uwa gatatu. I receive 20 messages every day. I will send him message. Nohereza. May you reduce for me the price? May you reduce for me the price? Ese mwangabanyiriza igiciro? Ese mwangabanyiriza igiciro? May you put that my shoes inside your bag? May you put that my shoes inside your bag? Ese washyirira inkweto mu ruhago rwawe? Ese wanshyirira inkweto mu ruhago rwawe? May I ask you a question? May I ask you a question? Ese nakwibariza cyangwa se ese nakwibariza ikibazo? May I ask you a question? Bari kubaza abakigusaba uburenganzira bwo gusaba. I bought a pair of socks yesterday. I bought a pair of socks yesterday. Naguze umuguru w'amasogisi ejo hashize. Naguze umuguru w'amasogisi ejo hashize. He bought his daughter socks. He bought his daughter socks. Yaguriye umukobwa we amasogisi. Yaguriye umukobwa w'amasogisi. My parents will buy toys. My parents will buy toys. Ababyeyi bazagura ibikoresho cyangwa se ababyeyi banjye bazagura ibikoresho. It was 6:10 when I left home. It was 6:10 when I left home. It was 6:10 when I left home. Byari 12:10 ubwo navaga mu rugo. Byari 12:10 ubwo navaga mu rugo. Is it time to go home? Is it time to go home? Is it time to go home? Iki ni igihe cyo kujya mu rugo. Is it time to go? Is it time to come late? Iki ni igihe cyo kuza ukerewe. I am studying English the way to join foreigners. I am studying English the way to join foreigners. Ndi kwiga icyongereza kugira ngo nihuze n'abanyamahanga. Ndi kwiga icyongereza kugira ngo nige guhuza n'abanyamahanga. I study English because it is an international language. I study English because it's a national language. Niga icyongereza kubera ari ururimi mpuzamahanga. I have to learn English. Ngomba kwiga icyongereza. Morning is the best time for studying. Morning is the best time for studying. Mu gitondo ni igihe cyiza cyo kwiga. Mu gitondo ni igihe cyiza cyo kwiga. In the morning early we have to pray. Tugomba gusenga.